Hello everyone and welcome to Salesforce FAQs. So today in this video we will learn how we can create opportunity win and loss percentage report. So in this report we display the opportunity records that are closed won, and in that we analyze the win and loss percentage of the opportunities. So first let me show you a demo of an opportunity win report that I have created so that you can have a better idea what a win percentage report look like. So right now I'm in the reports tab, and this is the report that I have created for the opportunity win rate percentage. So here in this report, I have created a summary level formula to calculate the win rate of the opportunities. So here you can see this is the column in which I have displayed the win percentage rate of the opportunities. So to create this report, we will add some filters and then we will create a summary level formula that will calculate the win percentage of the opportunities. So first we are going to create opportunity win percentage report. And before that, I will just take few seconds to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So this is our newly launched the Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description from where you can access and view the course. So we have designed this course specifically for the beginners and the people who want to learn the admin part. So in this course, you are going to get more than 50 hours of video content, including PDFs and solution. And for this course, we have covered every module in depth. You can see these are the modules that we have covered in this course, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce Navigation and Setup. So in the modules, you can see the table of content so that you will have an idea what are the topics that we have covered in this admin course. And we have covered this course in 10 modules. So it will take you around 2 to 3 months to complete this whole course. And when it comes to the pricing, we have kept it $199 for the lifetime access. So once you purchase this course, you are going to get lifetime access for this course. So this was all about the course, and now let's move back to the topic. So right now I have logged into my Salesforce developer account, and from here we will navigate to the reports tab. For that, click on the app launcher and here search and select reports. So we are going to create a new report. So for that, click on the button new report, and here you have to select the category of the report. So this report is going to be for the opportunity, so we will select the opportunities over here. And in the report type, again you have to select opportunities, and after this click on the button start report. So here first we need to apply some filters. So this is going to be opportunity win percentage report, and when opportunity is either win or loss, its status is always closed. So we will select the opportunity status as closed, and if you will select closed one instead of closed, then it will show all the opportunities, and the win percentage of opportunity will be displayed as 100%. So we will select the opportunity status as closed, so that it can include the closed lost opportunities also, and calculate the win percentage according to that. So here I will click on the apply button, and here I need to change the range of the records. So I will select as all time. So after this you will go back to the outline tab, and here we need to group one column. So I'm going to group this opportunity records with closed date. So with this, the records will be grouped in a row with the close date field. So here I will select group date by calendar quarter. So now the opportunity records with closed won and closed lost opportunities are displayed on the report table. So as you can see in the stage column, there are opportunities that are closed won as well as the closed lost opportunities. And now to calculate the win percentage of these closed won opportunities, we are going to add the summary level formula. For that, you have to go to the column section on the left hand side, and here select add summary level formula. So here you have to enter the custom name of the column. So I am going to name it as win percentage, and in the formula output type we will select percentage, and I don't want it in decimal, so I will keep it as 0. And so now here in the formula section you have to enter the formula to calculate the win percentage of the opportunity. So here you can see the formula 1 colon max divided by closed colon sum. So this is the formula that is going to calculate the win percentage of the opportunities. And to validate the formula, you can click on this validate button, and in the field how you apply this formula, we will select selected group. So here you can see the row group closed date. So here we have selected the grouped row closed date, and after this click on the apply button, and when you scroll horizontally to the end of the table, you will see the win percentage column, and here you can see the win percentage of the opportunities. So this is how you can create a report on opportunities win percentage. And after this we will save and run this report. So for that, click on the button save and run, and here I will name this report as, so I have named this report as a closed won opportunities, and the report unique name will be autofilled. And then we will select the report folder, and then select folder, and after this click on the save button. So as we click on the save button, the report will be saved in the selected folder, and it will run in the next window where you can see all the records in the report table. So this is how you can create opportunity win rate percentage report in Salesforce. And now we will move to the next part where we will see how you can create a loss percentage report, where we will analyze the closed lost opportunities. So for that, again I am on the reports tab, and here we are going to create a new report again. So again the category and the report type is going to be opportunities, and then we will click on the start report button. So here also we are going to apply some filters like we have done in the opportunity win rate report. So here I am selecting the range as all time and the opportunity status as closed, and then click on the apply button. And again I will go back to the outline tab, and here I am going to group these records with a date field. So this time I am going to group it with the created date field. So for the grouping, you can select it from the column, or you can go to this group rows section, and here select group rows by, then select the date field, and then select the field by which you want to group the records. So I'm going to group this record directly from the report table column, and here select group rows by this field. So now you can see the reports are grouped by the created date. And now again I'm going to group this date by calendar month. So I will select calendar month over here, and after this we are going to insert a summary level formula through which we are going to calculate loss rate of the opportunities. So here in the column section, click on the drop down and select add summary formula. So this column name I'm going to give as loss rate, and the output type we need in the percentage, and here we have to enter the formula. So here it is the formula that we are going to subtract the sum of the closed opportunity with the sum of won opportunities, and again we will divide it with the sum of closed opportunities. So this is going to be the formula to calculate the loss rate report, and I am also going to mention this formula in the description from where you can easily copy and paste in your reports. And after this we will validate the formula that we have entered. So it is a valid formula, and here we will select the groups. So it is created date, and at last click on the apply button. And when you scroll the report table horizontally, you can see in the last column you will see the loss rate of the reports. So here you can see the loss rate is 28%, and in the rest of the groups the records are not that much, so here it is showing 100%. So this is the accurate one because here we are counting with the comparison of this many records. So this is how you can create an opportunity loss rate report, and after this you have to save and run this report. So I'm going to name this opportunity as loss rate report, and then select the folder for the report, and at last click save. So as you click save, the report will be saved in selected folder, and it will run in the next window where you can see all the records of the report. So this is how you can create opportunity loss rate percentage report in Salesforce. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.